The Death Skulls is the worst clan of all the orc clans. They make themselves gits to all orcs because they can't help looting nosh and scrounging for teeth. They're massive thieves and can't help nicking things from everyone. If they think something's too much of a rip-off, they just take it. If you leave anything unattended, they'll nick it and gore you for telling them off. They're even more naff than the Blood Axes. They're really naff at working in groups or with other clans, because no one trusts them, even among themselves. They're real savvy with their weird gubbins they find, but they never have time to get better at it, because they're all too busy stealing. Massive orders, they make loads of nosh, but ain't keen on trading it. I asked the Death Skull, Filchmunch, the other day, why he has so many shooters, when he can only shoot one at a time. He said, I have loads because they might come in handy later. Ha! Joke's on him. I found where he was hiding them and nicked them from my boys to use for our own Daka. Gored him up with his own Umi Ripper that he found. Serves him right. I let him borrow some Naz a while back to buy himself a new hat and he ripped me off. They might be quick at doing Daka, but they rush their wires so they can take all the loot. They strip Umi stompers, stunty armor, pansy nail clippers, anything else not nailed down. Death Skulls even scalp kits, and at times have at their skulls too. Even though everyone hates them, Death Skulls are mega orky at defending their nosh. Well, except for Filchmunch. Death Skulls love mechs, and always tinker with the gubbins from their loot. They even use Umi mechs with their own trucks and battle wagons for Daka. Even the ones named after that Umi Primarch, the airy one. Death Skulls mark their stuff with the blue because they reckon it gets Gork and Mort to defend them. They're well superstitious and put loads of weird squigglies on their armor. Thing is, they're well lucky, so some orcs reckon painting their stuff blue and wearing weird stuff is orky. Cause lots of mech boys come from the Death Skulls, so they have loads of combi shooters and their Gretchens is well clever. Still, they may be morky, but they're well odd and not as orky as proper orcs.